Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you where to find silver, which is especially useful for crafting things like the wake maker or the basic air tank. So to begin, you want to go from the life pod towards the north direction. You want to go about 300 meters, like I'm going. Go to the north side. Here you'll see a bloom infestation site. In here you find a new biome which has these kind of pink corals. And here inside of these canyons there is a chance you might find silver, but a more common location to find it is go inside of this hole, inside of this cave. In here you'll find many silver nodes. So you can go ahead and search it out. And here, as you can see, I found some silver on the ground. Also, there are these larger nodes, which when you break them, you'll get 3 times silver. So you can go ahead around the whole cave and search for the silver. So this is pretty much all how to get silver in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.